Hello everyone. Hello everyone. How's everyone doing? Hope you all are enjoying your day. So again, our Ma Kali cards. Let's see what is the divine going to speak today. Bhavatarini. Whenever I see this card, I just feel like seeing at it. Actually, my Dashama Vidya classes are going on also. Whenever I see all these Devis, I feel so much of power they have. When I speak of power, she always comes. My beautiful yellow lady, the lady whom you know I just love watching her. So let's see the um, what is the combination of these two beautiful ladies, Bhavatarni and Baglamukhi. Okay, now Bhavatarni, she is who releases our karmas, karmic release she does, and she is the one. Actually, she's a tantric priestess for karmic release. So she doesn't come under the Dashamahavidyas, but she is also a form of a tantric devi. She teaches us how we can be a proper influence of our lives, how we can open our hearts and change our lifestyles, change things in our everyday life. And she will recognize the goodness in you. She teaches you how life teaches us lessons, but how we work with it irrespective of the lessons they teach us, and we work happily, we work positively. And this card comes for many people who are healers, who are going through a lot of pain in their lives right now. So whatever it is, just tell her, Mata, I love you and I want you to be with me. Keep your hands on me, make me to come out of this pain that I'm suffering right now. You know I am in pain, and that is why you have come. You know I am suffering from inside, and that is why you have come to show me that you're there as a mother to me. So be there as my mother and help me to come out of it. And my darling Baglamukhi, she's the 8th Devi and a very, very powerful Devi. How she changed lives of my Dashamahavidyas, some of my students, only I know. How she brought their enemies in front of their eyes. How she made them powerful. How she worked with them. I can just keep talking about her again and again. Whenever the Dashamahavidya courses happen, she is one lady whom I tell everyone, you people should pray to her. You people should take her help, because she is the one who will help you to live a healthy life, who will help you recognize your enemies, and who will help you to face anything, any issue in life with power, with dedication, and with faith. More than anything, with bravery and courage. And you will not be scared of anything in life after that. So she's come to tell you that only. I am there and I will be there for you. Just pray to me and you will see how I help you. Today the color is definitely going to be yellow, because the lady in yellow has come. So yellow is the color, and offer her some prasad in yellow and chant, if possible, 108 times or at least 21 times, Om Hreem Baglamukhi Swaha. Om Hreem Baglamukhi Swaha. I'm giving you a very simple mantra, not a proper mantra also, but I just want you all to start feeling her energies, start working with her energies. Today is going to be a very power packed day, because both the power packed ladies have come. So stay blessed, and may all the Devis help you become more and more powerful, courageous, come out of all your fears, and get healed of the pain that you're going through. Jai Ma Kali.